Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my another video. It's me Sushant Paul once again before you, and it's morning time. So very good morning all of you. Hope you all are doing great and I'm doing fantastic today. So today's weather is cold. As you can see, today's weather it's cloudy. The sky is cloudy, little bit cloudy, and it may rain soon. I don't know, I'm not sure. And right now I have come here. As you can see behind me, a big field, a big playground, and it's my college playground. I have come here for practicing English purpose. So if you guys wanna improve your English, then you have to improve your speaking skill, writing skill, reading skill, and listening skill. So actually, how can you improve your English? So in this video, I would love to share with you how can you improve your English. So if you wanna improve your English, in that case, you have to improve your listening skill, writing skill, speaking skill, and reading skill as well. So there are four steps. If you wanna improve your listening skill, in that case, you have to listen a lot. Do you like music? If you like music, then you can enjoy English music. That will be more helpful for you. And some guys are fond of cartoon. In that case, you can watch English cartoon. That will be more helpful for you. And if you guys like movies, then try to watch English movie. And I enjoy English movies. So actually, in this way, you can improve your listening skill. And whenever you want to improve your writing skill, in that case you have to write something. Like you can write your daily routine, or you can write different topics. You can choose each and every single day different topics, and you can write something. At least you can try to write 1 or 2 pages or 3 pages. That will be more helpful. So actually, like this way, you can learn English. You don't need to go any institution, coaching center, or like that anything. You can learn from your bed. You can learn from your home. You can learn. Actually, I'm learning by myself. I didn't go anywhere like that, any institution or coaching center like that anything. So you can. So if you guys wanna improve your reading skill, in that case you have to read. You have to read each and every single day 2 or 3 pages. Whenever you go to read, in that time you have to read loudly. That will be good. So yeah, actually in this way you can improve your English. So no more today. I don't want it more longer. So have a good day and goodbye.